This eagle is soaring through the sky looking for food. With the big wings can stretch up to 8 feet, 2.3 meters. It flies smoothly, watching the ground closely for anything moving by exceptional vision. When it sees a fish, it quickly dives down, ready to grab it with its sharp claws. The attack is fast and shows how skilled the eagle is at hunting. This is a bald eagle, the national bird of the United States. They represent strength, courage, wisdom, and freedom. They're not really bald. The word bald used to mean having a white head back in the 1700s when the eagle became a national symbol. Bald eagles are apex predators, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. Their main food is fish. Sometimes they eat dead animals, hunt small mammals, or steal food from other birds. Eagles play a crucial role in their ecosystems, maintaining the balance by controlling the population of other animals and clean the environment by eating dead animals. However, eagles are in danger because their homes are being destroyed, and population and climate change hurt them too. Protecting these magnificent birds requires our collective effort to preserve their habitats, enforce laws against hunting and poisoning, and support conservation programs.